Welcome back to Quick Tips for Circle Communities. I'm Rachel Starr, host of Your Community Strategist podcast and the founder of The Co-op, a space designed to support course creators, summit hosts, and membership leaders in building thriving, impactful communities while staying true to their vision and values. Today's quick tip focuses on an often overlooked feature in Circle that can significantly boost your community engagement and create powerful marketing opportunities. Welcome banners. I'll show you how I update mine weekly and why this simple practice has become one of the most effective community touchpoints. Welcome banners are much more than just a pleasant greeting. They're prime real estate for your community's most important messages. Think of them as digital billboards that every single member sees when they log in. While many community leaders set up a welcome banner once and forget about it, treating this space as a dynamic marketing channel completely transforms its impact. By updating your welcome banner weekly, you can create a consistent touch point that keeps members informed about what's happening right now in the community. This regular refresh creates anticipation, highlights time-sensitive opportunities, and dramatically increases engagement with your key call to action. The beauty of this approach is that it takes just minutes each week, but creates a sense of ongoing momentum and freshness that static banners simply can't match. Plus, it gives you a dedicated space to highlight different aspects of your community on a rotating basis, ensuring nothing important gets overlooked. Let me walk you through exactly how to set up an effective welcome banner and establish a weekly update system that turns this simple feature into a powerful marketing tool. Welcome inside. To navigate to your welcome banner, I'm going to head over to the feed tab over here on the left. And then from here, I'm going to go all the way over to the right to the ellipsis and choose Edit Welcome Banner. Now, you do have the option of setting up a welcome banner for logged out members, but based on my community type, I've never utilized that feature. But I make sure that Enable for logged in members is toggled on. Now, our first piece of real estate is this image, but it can also be a video. I have utilized video before, created a quick update of things that are happening inside the community, or if I have a big announcement, I'll add a video in there. For the most part, I have a static image that just says, welcome, what's new here? The image size is 1600 pixels by 600 pixels here. So you'll want to create an image that sizes well there. Your next piece of real estate is that title. And I have just welcome to the co-op. Then we have our description, and this is where I get creative. So I always kind of start off with something to get people thinking and get the creative juices going, like I have here. Today's a great day to ditch the overwhelm and make one powerful move forward. Just a little mantra to keep you moving. Then I will highlight whatever our big push is in the community for the month. And right now for us, that's the Challenge Creator Lab. And then I have an area of handpicked resources. And so these resources are the ones people are navigating to the most right now. And then I have whatever is like really hot in the community as my must watch video. And here at the bottom, I like to push people a little bit to some of our weekly events. And that is our co-working session this week. So I was really trying to push people there. Now you can make it so people can close out of the banner, but I don't do that and I don't recommend that, especially if you're using this as real estate like I am. So if you're using this in the same method that I am, you 100% want to leave that alone. If you do make it so they can close it out, keep in mind if you're going to put a new promotion in. So if you're going to institute an update that's maybe not weekly and you're going to do it quarterly or something like that and allow them to close it out, that when you put that new banner up, you're going to want to reset the member close banner preferences. Once you have everything ready to go, you'll hit Save Changes and then done. And now you'll see this very beautiful welcome banner on my feed. So for me, I have it set up so that when members come into my community, now, not the first time. So if it's your first time logging into my community, you're going to land into my member onboarding workflow. But let's say this is any other time. When you log in, you're going to land in the feed. And so this is the place that you will see every time you log in. And it has that nice little welcome, those highlights, and then it gets into all the things that are happening. The community feed is here. One question I get asked a lot is, what should I put in my welcome banner? Here's a variety of high impact banner content ideas that I rotate through. Number one, highlight upcoming events or workshops happening in the community. Showcase a community win or feature a member spotlight. Promote a valuable resource or area of community that members might overlook. Feature a specific call to action, joining a challenge, signing up for a workshop, etc. Announce new content or learning opportunities. Celebrate community milestones or achievements. And share seasonal promotions or limited time offers. I don't follow a rigid schedule, but I make sure to update my banner weekly with whatever is most relevant and valuable for my community at that moment. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful way to use Circle's welcome banner as a dynamic marketing tool that keeps your community engaged and informed. Remember, the key to making this work isn't just creating an attractive banner. It's the consistency of refreshing it regularly that transforms it from a static greeting to an active communication channel. By dedicating just 15 minutes each week to update your banner, you create an expectation among members that there's always something new and valuable to discover in your community. While we focus on a basic weekly rotation a day, you can customize this approach based on your community's specific rhythm and needs. Some community leaders prefer to align banner updates with content themes or membership cycles, while others create special banners for launches or major community milestones. I'd love to hear how this weekly banner strategy transforms engagement in your community. Drop a comment below to share your experience or any creative variations you've developed. If you're looking for more ways to create engaging touch points in your community, remember to check out my other Circle automation videos. The link to my full Circle Quick Tips playlist is in the description below. If this quick tip helps streamline your community management, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly community building strategies. Your engagement helps these tips reach more community creators like you. That's it for this week's tip. I'm curious, what other Circle features would you like to see covered in upcoming videos? Let me know in the comments below, and I might feature your suggestion next. Until next time, keep building those meaningful connections in your community, now with more dynamic, engaging welcome banners. See you next week. Bye, friends.